Are we on? I think I should be live right now, but I'm not sure. Yes, okay, we are on. So, welcome everybody. I mean, there's no one at the moment, but yeah. When you see this video, welcome. Thanks for clicking on this video. And so today I'm gonna do something that I have never done before as a software developer. So I'm gonna try out. Figma. And the reason that I'm doing this, so as you know, that I have an app that I'm building. If you don't know, if you're new to this channel, that in the earlier videos that I was making, I was building an application for in 30 days. So I've started this challenge. Then I was building this productivity app. Basically, it's a social media, kind of like social media for habit building. It's almost like Duolingo. You have streak counts. You can provide proofs for the actions that you're taking or the challenges that you're taking. And yeah, so we have an app that is available for testing for iOS on test flight, and we have 20 something users, active users are using the app right now. If you want to join the testers, I have a link in the description that you can click on and join the test flight. So as you can see, this is my Figma account, and I have a bunch of designs. So these were the early designs for the app that I'm building. That I have hired two people from Fiverr to do the initial designs for us, and they have delivered these two works. And this one you see here, this is from one of the prior ventures that I had. It was called Client Lab. Let's have a actually look. I think this was also coming from someone in Fiverr. We had this UI, and I was asking them to do the UI for the profile page. This was a CRM software, basically. So this CRM software was kind of a platform before ChatGPT. It's supposed to utilize machine learning to find the best deal for the companies based on all the customer interactions and everything. But it didn't work out. And then after ChatGPT came and everything, so it wasn't working properly. So let's have a look at the prior designs that we have. And I do have this one. This was a very simple one that I liked it. So the current app kind of looks like this, but not really. So we have slightly different UI. But there was another one that I actually like a lot, but it wasn't necessarily fit for the purpose that we have in the application. This was the old logo and everything, so we do have a different logo. And here, so the layout of itself, like creating the new challenges and everything, and then the challenge cards that we have in the app kind of looks like this, the streaks and everything. So that's where I got the idea to put fire emoji next to the streak count, so we can have the progress update about the streaks and everything. And now, okay, so this is enough for looking at other designs. Let's actually give it a try on Figma. This is the first time that I'm using this app. I never used Figma before, like for designing. So as a software developer, we interact with the software to get the designs from the designer, but not other way around. Like you go onto the website and design something for yourself. So let's see how actually hard it is. But you should also consider that this is generally my first time. I never tried to attempt designing anything with this software. So this one is called frames. So this is move tool, rectangle, cool. gonna create, let's see, 14 plus. I think that's okay. And first thing that I want to do is actually get some kind of inspiration from the existing designs. So I'd like to go to this website and let's see, mobile gaming app UI UX UI, and see some examples. Okay, so let's try to recreate this. Seems simple enough to work on. Oop. Yeah, that doesn't work. Okay, I wanted to zoom in, but it didn't work. Cool. Okay, I don't have to use this, so let's start with a text called login. Okay, how can I edit this text now? Effect, export, no. Here? Yes, okay, cool. So that's take one, and it's somewhere here. Okay, it's here, and can I make it also bold? Cool. Okay, the easy part is gone. Let's have a look. And another text underneath. What does it say? Enter an email address. Okay, enter an email address to login. And this is keeping the same settings from here. Maybe not that. 16. And no longer bold, so cool. Okay. I don't understand what are these lines are, but I feel like you know, when I put it here, it seems like okay from a design perspective, but I'm not sure also, so I'm just gonna put it here because it looks nice. Okay, cool. And let's add some text input. The shapes, what are the shapes? So there are rectangles, but I don't know how can I do these border radiuses with the rectangles. Let's see, was it like full width? Yes, it was. Okay, so cool. And how can I know this is actually the same amount of width from the other side, like same amount of margins, you know? Okay, let's see. Effects, drop shadow, no, inner shadow. Inner shadow, okay, yeah, that make it looks like a bit of input, but I still want to have some border radius, but I don't know how to do that. Okay, like from stroke, no. Was there a stroke on that one? Yes, that was a, okay, there was no inner shadow, so I'm just gonna stick to the design. Okay, let's remove this. Cool. And stroke was there, but for like 1 pixels. Oh, the color of the stroke is kind of silverish. Yeah, okay. So what does that mean? Oh, so it's okay, it shows this. Oh yeah, okay, I think this bit. Got it. Yes. And I want the color inside to be the same color as the outside. Yes. Or maybe outside is like a slightly different color. Okay. Yeah. Shit, no. Inside of the box is more white, so this is gonna be white, but the background is gonna be different color. Okay, fill. Yes, nice. Not so much, but slightly. Okay. A little bit more. Is there any way actually I can measure, you know, how much, like how many pixels of distance that I have between this text and the text input? And this feels, yeah, okay, this feels a bit off. It wasn't aligned completely. So is it? Yep. Cool, cool. I'm still not sure if this gap and this gap is the equal size, but that's okay. I don't need to worry about it for now. And email / phone number. But for in our case, it's just gonna be email because no, actually username, email or username. Yeah, email, username. I don't like that. Let's do it like this. And the color of it, maybe some kind of, yeah, same color. Actually, yeah, same color of the border. But I don't think this is necessarily the same color. Shit, hang on. Yeah, cool. Okay, so that has been. I feel like it's a bit off. It's not in the middle. It doesn't show me exactly where to put. Like I'm trying to align it from this corner, and bottom to top. Also, like keeping it in the middle, but it gives me this, but this is not exactly in the middle. Excuse me. Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so maybe I can just copy this. Did I copy it? Oh yeah. Okay. And here we go. And that's going to be the password. Yes. But I feel like it's a bit off still. Okay. That looks nice. No. Oh, actually, someone wrote something. I recommend you to search for inspiration like Mobbin. What is Mobbin? The world's largest mobile and web design library. Okay, that's good to know. I didn't know. I was going to this website usually to look for something. Oh, sorry. How about now? Is that better? I feel like there's a bit of a delay in the live stream. I just got your message from the chat. But anyway, so just to, you know, if I don't answer, that means that I haven't seen it yet. To create a free account. Let's see. Okay. Developer. YouTube. I mean, not technically YouTube advertisement, but still pan to the right. Okay, let's see. Microphone. Test. Yeah, I think okay. This should fix it. Okay, it was my setting. Sorry about that. Thank you very much. Patates? Potatoes? Patates? I think you're Turkish, but I'm not sure. Dude. Continue personal. Let's continue for free. We are just looking for inspirations. Anyway. So what are these things? Are they like are they already ready to use designs? What is it? Let's click on one of them. Oh shit, I can copy the Figma. Okay. So this is already like ready to use, so you can just edit it yourself. Okay, that's not bad. I can definitely make use out of this. This seems very nice. But this seems like also like offering all the remake of existing apps. So like I saw Instagram, Yahoo Finance and all, or maybe like a concept of existing apps. So okay, I need to investigate this. So right now I have no idea how it works and what it does. So I'm just gonna skip this. And let's go back to, at least like for the sake of this live stream or the sake of this video, let's try to finish this design, the login design. And I do have this part now, so I can add like a remember me box here. Okay, so that's going to be a checkbox, 20 to 20. Yes, cool. And obviously it's gonna be white. No, okay, it's gonna be white. Yeah, and some stroke around it, and that's a black stroke, and it says remember me. So that's like a very standard actually checkbox. Remember me. Cool. Okay, not bad. What do you think? I mean, it's very simple, but you know, for a first project, I think it makes sense. And there's a but, not much actually, you know, like just some rectangles, like you can add some stuff. Only thing that I feel like I'm missing is just the spacings, and I don't think I know how to do the spacing, how to align the spacing in this app. Hang on, I see something here. What is this? Dev mode. Get coding faster. Okay. What is this do? Oh, okay. I need to upgrade it for this. Never mind. I'll have a look later. Okay, so as a last thing, I just need to add a login button. Cool. Let me just copy this. Oh. Delete this. Okay. I'm gonna use this later on. So this is the same. Let's change the inside as black, and the stroke, get rid of the stroke. That's gonna be, just says login. Okay, I don't know how to. Okay. Cool. So it detects what type of background that I have, because I was sure that it's going to be like a black text and I have to change the color of the text. But it doesn't seem like it. How do I know that this is going to be in the center? Oh, is it because I have like this? Okay, yeah. Cool. Then there's gonna be a text, forgot password. Is there, I can, oh yeah, actually, you know what? That makes more sense. So if I do center a line for the text, then I can move it around and I feel like I can see where is the middle and everything. For this bit, I didn't do that as well. Let me do this here. And now if I try to move it, yes, that's perfect. Cool. That makes sense. Okay. Okay, let's keep it 20 pixels because I feel like everywhere we kept it as 20 pixels. Was there more? No, there was no more. So in this bit also should be 20 pixels. Yes, but there's gonna be like a bit of a padding here, and maybe this bit can be 28 pixels. Sure. Does that look right? I don't think that looks right. Okay, so this one is gonna be gray as well. Not that great. Cool. It's maybe no. A bit darker gray, I would say. Yeah. Forgot password. Cool, and underneath that, there was gonna be. Do we have a line? Yes, do we? We have a line. Coolio. And I can just add a text saying or. Also, yeah. Okay. And that is going to be, I would say, the same gray as this text here, which is this bit. And if I paste it here, it's going to be the same gray. Forgot password or. Yes. Forgot password or, and then we have social logins. How much of a, this is actually less than that. Yeah, that makes more sense. And then I do 2 of them. Let me copy this. Yes. I'm just gonna copy this to keep the same typography basically. And it says don't have an account, sign up. And this is gonna be in the middle. Cool. don't have an account, sign up. This is bold. Yes. And then here's some disclaimer as well. In the middle, in the middle. Actually, not in the middle. By signing up, you prove that you are awesome. Thank you for signing up. I don't know, just some message. I cannot read it, the one from the other one. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I mean, I think I'm doing pretty good for a first time designing this, but I have, as I said at the beginning, I have some small interaction with the Figma before as a developer, but I never get to design anything on it. I was using this app to check the pixel sizes and everything, like the the spacing and everything when I'm building the app, but I never get to use it as designing something. So yes, let's see, that's 35. The spacing between the buttons and the title is the same, so I'm just gonna try to keep this as same. Yeah, 28. And that is much smaller text, so we can reduce the size to 12 maybe. Yes, makes sense. That looks perfect. Cool, cool, cool. And let's add these bits. Google PNG. Cool, cool. So I'm gonna save the image, and we're gonna have Facebook as well. Facebook PNG. How was the Facebook logo? That's the round one. Cool. Save this too. Nice. So let me see if I can add these files into Figma. Whoa, okay, that's big. Wait, what's happening? Why is it cropping it? No. Okay, I need to make it perfectly rectangle. That's why it's kind of cropping it. Okay. Although, no, it's not. Shit, how do I know? Okay. No. But how? Yeah, I feel like it's just cropping from this right and left. I have no idea how to do this. Bishal, I'm a backend dev and I suck at designing. I'm very poor. Me too, buddy. Me too. I have no idea how to design. So if anybody knows how to actually fix these images and not to preserve this aspect ratio, please help me. I see some kind of chain. Is that gonna fix it? Nope. Okay. Anyway, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is right now. Okay. I think I'm doing something. No. Shit. I see. Okay. Got it. So if I hold down Control, then if I like extend the thing. Yeah, someone said Control K. Yes. Yeah, actually, yeah. I just got that as well by mistake, but yeah. I'm just reading your comment, by the way, Bishop. So now I can do this. Cool. And for the Facebook one, same as well. Okay, same problem. Cool. I'm just gonna click on this. Then, yeah, perfect. So now we can, yes. All right. So I do have a Google and the Facebook. And let's add the text as well. That's gonna be center to continue with Google. And let's make that bold. It was bold in there. Yes, sir. And let's copy this. Continue with Facebook. Cool. How does it look like? Okay. Maybe I can just small scale this. And shit. Why? Trying to select both of these. Yeah, okay. So now I can center it. Perfect. Cool. And then select this one too. Yes, then let's center it. Okay, that's it. Oh, of course, yeah. I mean, I'm planning to maybe let's do this on every Saturday or Sunday, or just like half an hour, especially for the designing bit. So the first one, I just wanted to give it a try how the Figma is gonna feel like. I feel like this is quite easy so far, and I will see. I will see how am I gonna get on. So we do have this design inspiration place for Canva. For the rest of the week, we will be adding some like design inspirations in here, the ones that we find that is gonna be useful for the app. So I'm gonna bring all of these, and we will have some comments on the designs, like saying which part of the design that we find valuable. So then we can add these valuable parts into the existing design, into the design that we want to use for the application. Then once we achieve that, then we will code away the entire application, rewrite the entire application's UI, or maybe update everything. And then after that, I'm planning to submit this to app stores, either like Play Store for Android and iOS. By the way, if you're using iOS device, again, there's a link for the test flight in the description. You can download it from there and give it a test as well. And that is it from this live stream. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next week. Thank you very much.